On the left, a premium ventilation fan. On the right, the new Broan Ultra Series ventilation fan. Both are quiet, powerful, and energy efficient. Only Ultra is revolutionary. Unlike other fans, the Broan Ultra Series ventilation fans are engineered for extremely fast installation. And when it comes to making money, the fastest install wins. Are you ready? On your mark, get set.
You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, I probably could have done it faster too. I can install 2 or 3 in the time it takes him to do 1. Plus it's Broan, so no callbacks. Hello?
Get up to 60% faster installs and retrofits with no trips to the attic. Plus up to 20% faster installs in new construction. Broan Ultra Series ventilation fans. A revolutionary way to install, a revolutionary way to profit.